everything you need to know about third country removals. Everything you need to know about third country removals, because it's happening every day, and there are 3 specific things you have to know about it. Okay, number 1, target. The main target here are non-detained individuals. You'll be surprised. Why non-detained individuals? Well, first of all, let's talk about the categories of non-detained individuals that are the target. We have people with withholding of removal, people who have been granted Convention Against Torture, commonly called CAT, okay? People under the order of supervision with an old removal order, people who have previously been ordered removed, and people who have no pending cases but are overstayers. They are the targets, okay? And the reason being, it's because, well, if they have already ordered a person removed, ICE has the authority to execute that order of removal. That's just how it works. However, we're going to talk about how you can fight it, okay? Number 2, reasons. What are the reasons as to why ICE can decide to remove someone to a third country instead of their country of origin or the country where they last resided? Is it even legal? Yes, it is legal to do that, right? So why are they going to do it? It's because if a person have been granted CAT, Convention Against Torture, withholding of removal, it simply means that the U.S. government is withholding removal to that specific country where they claim they will be persecuted. However, the U.S. government has the right to remove them to another country where they will not face persecution. Okay? Because, in other words, the person did not win asylum, which is a relief. However, they just withholding removal because they cannot really go back to their country. That's why ICE has the authority to remove them to a different country. It's legal because it is under our immigration laws in terms of removal in a third country. So long as the country in question gives the United States some type of assurance, and then that those people will not be persecuted once they are there. Those are the countries that the U.S. has pretty much an agreement, bilateral, I believe, or it's just an agreement with them in terms of taking the individuals who did not meet the requirement here for asylum, or the individual who did not meet the requirement for any type of relief. So basically, the relief was not granted, therefore they have no reason to be here, right? So, and number 3, lastly, thing you have to know, what exactly can you do once you are subject to a third country removal? First of all, before you even know what to do, you have to know where exactly are they sending you. Once you know exactly where they're sending you, then you have the ability, the right to ask for CFI, credible fear interview. You're going to ask for credible fear interview where you're going to make your claim, if you have a valid claim, of persecution in the country where they're trying to send you to. What's going to happen is the asylum officer is going to interview to determine if, most likely than not, you'll be persecuted where they're trying to send you to a third country. Okay, you have to say it, you have to demand for it, and once you pass the credible fear interview, then you can stay while you're fighting again for your case. Either you're gonna reopen the case again, or you're just gonna stay, perhaps under order of supervision again, or again, withholding of removal will be granted to you again for the second time. So this is all you need to know. Those 3 things that you need to know. Follow for more. Until next time, bye-bye.